action. What up, y'all? It's me, Young Froggy, aka the God. Alright, look, today I got a dope haircut for y'all of Marty's Blends. Marty Blends, you know what I'm saying? If y'all know who Marty Blends is, he another YouTube barber that he do his thing on YouTube. But he got here. Let me let y'all see a little bit of what he do.
What up, y'all? We're back with another cinematic tutorial, and this time we have a nice mid-drop fit to go over, so let's hop in.
Alright, so look, Marty Blends. When I first seen this dude on YouTube, Instagram, I'm like, bro, this dude out here giving out bowl cuts. These haircuts are bowl cuts. You know what I'm saying? So I've been watching him for the last like 5-6 years, and these bowl cuts that he been giving are now have become like a certain style of haircuts. They call them compressed fades, I guess. But back in the day, that shit was a bowl cut, nigga. You had too much weight on your haircut, nigga. Knock some of that weight off. But that ain't the thing no more. So we finna attempt to do a Marty blend today. All right, yeah. I'm gonna try to show y'all how to do this Marty blend as well. So right now I got on a number 3 guard. So we gonna start fading down. You know what I'm saying? And when you fade down, I think that's a lot easier for a beginner because you ain't really putting lines in your haircut. You ain't really gotta take lines out. You ain't gonna be going higher and higher if you start to fade from the bottom. So yeah, so just fading, starting from the top to the bottom, I think that's a lot easier for y'all beginners. So any beginners watching this video, yeah, start from the top to the bottom. So now once you got that 4 on there in that same shape that you put your ball line in, now I'm gonna go over a little bit and knock some of that weight off because I don't like weight. So but I am trying to do a Marty blend, but this is my first kind of attempt going at it on camera for y'all boys. So we gonna get it right. It's not gonna be my last time doing a Marty blend, but yeah, I just go with that clip over comb, a couple different angles. I'm a master barber, you know what I'm saying? And it sucks that I call myself a master barber. Nah, I'm not that good at straight hair, clip over comb, scissor work, shear work. I ain't, you know what I'm saying? That ain't my forte. I'm not into that. I don't really like to do that. But if you're gonna call yourself a master barber, you gotta be able to do all that. But you know what I'm saying? I can do it all, but whatever. All right, so we got a number 3 guard on there right now. And then wait, no. Wait, I'm tripping. We already hit the number 3 guard. Right now we got number 2 guard. Now with the number 2 guard, you're just gonna go right under that little weight line you put in there. But now I put on that 1.5 guard. And I'm going a little bit under that 2 guard. So as you switching guards and going down, you just going a little bit lower and lower and lower. But it ain't no lines you putting in, so you just, you know what I'm saying? You just gonna keep flicking out. Right here, this is a 1 guard, my favorite 1 guard ever. I feel like, you know what I'm saying, OG barbers know what guard this is right here. This is map, this at wall 1. Okay, so yeah, so when you going down and bro, what I'm all over the place. That's why I ain't been doing no tutorials in a while, bro, because I ain't want to have y'all niggas all over the place, because the way my brain been working lately, that shit just be all over the place, yo. And I can't sit here and keep a damn thought for more than fucking 30 seconds. But alright, so after that, I still get that wall 1 on there. And then as you see, we ain't putting no lines in. You ain't see no lines get it coming there yet, but you do see a couple little some weight up in there. But right now I'm showing you how to flick out with your when you cutting. These strokes you putting in your haircuts gotta be smooth. That's the only way the haircut gonna be smooth. Is your strokes gotta be smooth. So you gotta flick out every time. And right now I'm showing you how to. I pointed to the teeth. You're gonna use the teeth. Start from the bottom all the way up. You flick it out with that teeth. And it's kind of weird because I'm sitting there trying to show y'all how to do it and I ain't got my camera on. But you know, y'all can just hear me, but whatever. But you know what I'm saying? But all right, now we took off that 1 guard. Now we got no guard on there, lever all the way open. And by the way, I know y'all ain't going step by step trying to do the haircut and watch the video at the same time. So I left out something. Every time you put on them guards, you started with it open. So right now I have no guard on and I started with it open. The clippers are all the way open and I'm just slowly trying to get out that weight line. I ain't got nothing but weight in this haircut. This is all weight. I don't got no bow lines at all. I never put one in. I never put one in with my edges. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all that. Yeah, I showed y'all that. I slowed it down and all that, but I didn't even talk about it. Do not put the damn y'all ball lines in with y'all edges, bro. Please stop doing that, y'all young barbers. I ain't talking to the barbers that been doing this for a while. Y'all can do the hell y'all want to do. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, I don't care. We talking to the young barbers just coming up in the game. Just want to learn how to cut hair. Do not use these techniques and put your damn ball line in with your edges. Don't do it. We gonna talk about that every video. In one video, I'm gonna make a big ass point about it and I'll show y'all. But no, right now, that green guard just showed y'all. Yeah, the little tiny little thing. That's called the eraser. You know what I'm saying? That guard right there is the 1/16th, the 0 guard on the purple one. Y'all got them purple guards, it's number 0. 1/16th is that guard, bruh. So you put that on after you done all that work, all those steps, started from 3, 2, 1.5 to 1 to no guard, all the way open. Now you put that 1/16th on, and you just start to. That's when you start to get that blurry effect going. You know what I'm saying? And right now, every time you see me stop and I ain't doing nothing, and you just looking at this nigga just sit there with his head down, I was over there cleaning my clippers. You know what I'm saying? I don't clean my clippers like right after the haircuts. I clean them like right before I use them on y'all, because your clients want to see that you clean your damn clippers, bro. If you clean them before they get there, they don't know them shit's clean. You know what I'm saying? So I clean them right before I do my haircuts. So yeah, so right here, after you did the fade, now I'm gonna do that line. And to me, these are the best edgers ever made. You know what I'm saying? And if you disagree, please let me know in the comments. I know a lot of y'all using these babyless edgers, and I can't get my edgers to hit like y'all. So I'm going with what I know, and these TI liners is the king. They hold the crown. So this is the fade, y'all boys. Let me know what y'all think. How my Marty bling come out? You know what I'm saying? I think I faded it too much. He leaves a lot more weight on his blends. They'd be a lot more compact, compressed, and they'd be real neat. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's the haircut. Shout out to Marty Blends. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna leave his link in the description. Let me know what type of haircuts y'all want to see. Let me know if y'all want me to react to some videos, react to some haircuts. Let me know if y'all want me to react to some of these barbers. You know what I'm saying? I'm here. You know what I'm saying? I never put this much work into my barber craft on YouTube. I just been sprinkling y'all with it, giving y'all styles to run with. But I'm here. I'm finna use everything I learned in these last 15 years on YouTube and put it in this barber industry, and shit finna be right. You know what I'm saying? I've been giving y'all 50%. You know what I'm saying? It's time to give y'all 100, and we finna take it there, y'all boys. Hey, so I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm gone.